So we purchased our Jeep off the showroom floor, and while it was there, the dealership had it with the front windshield down. So last night we were driving and there was a good amount of rain. We were on our way back from a little trip to town, and this is what happened. So I'm about to go out there and investigate. I'm about 99% sure the people at the dealership just didn't tighten the screw back tight enough, so that way that windshield wiper will work. Maybe just came loose a little bit. So luckily enough, they come with this cool little tool pack, right? I put my own little flathead Phillips head screwdriver in there, but this is what it looks like. It's got a little star in there, a ratchet, double-ended, a little instruction manual in here that tells you how to do everything and where everything goes. So Jeep's helping you out with that. So let's go out there and check and see what's going on. All right, so I'm outside now. I popped these off. As you can tell, they go over right there. They're protected. It's plastic, so I had to get a little flathead screwdriver and pop them off. Then I popped them off, and this one was a little loose right here. Again, thanks dealership Car-Mart, good job. So I went ahead and tightened up the driver's side one also. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys back on real quick. Then we'll jump in. See what it does. There we go. Good job. A little tip of advice, honestly. Let me find it. Oh, here it is in my pocket. Holding the camera as I'm doing this, obviously, rookie. So this is two of the parts that come with it. Right, this is the ratchet, and this is the 15mm. There's no real way to keep this, the socket that goes in there, in here, so it'll kind of slide in and out. You have to hold it. Just a tip of advice. So if you're working with this or any of the other parts here in this little cool little Jeep toolkit to remove all this stuff, just know that it doesn't have like that little ball in there. So when you put it in here, so that's all the way in. There's no real click, but see, you can just fall right out. So if you're working in or around your Jeep, you don't want to scratch your paint up, you got a holder in there. None of them have that little pin in there, so just a tip of advice. All right, well, have a good weekend. Have a good President's Day weekend. Catch y'all later.